So here we got a car on a circular bank track. The GeoGebra app will be in the notes of this video. Okay, so at the moment we've got the track at 20 degrees. Okay, we've got a coefficient of friction of 0.8. Okay, if the car is going low speed, then the friction will stop the car going down the slope, so the friction will go out upwards. If we've got high speed, okay, then the car will be stopped going off the slope. Okay, there will be a maximum and a minimum speed, safe speed, which you can get from this. I'm just going to reset that for a minute. Okay, so you can get by doing this large calculation here. If you go into the GeoGebra app, I will let you have a look at this for yourselves. These can be proved. I've actually done another video on this. So at the moment, the car can go for between 0 and 144.41 for those conditions. Okay, so if we start, then we can see the car going round. Okay, if we make the track a bit fast up here, okay, it might start going a bit faster, but we get a safe low speed and a safe high speed. Okay, if we reset it, we can change that. Okay, that would work. Okay, I don't think we can get out an unsafe speed. Right, here we've gone over at the maximum safe speed. Here we can't go that like that. Okay, you can see that we've got an angular acceleration. The acceleration going inward, which is v squared over r. Okay, you can change the value of r, which will change some of the parameters here. So you can see all these different things on the slider. To start it, you just get that, and you'll see that's looking down, and this is the thing, and you can get the friction as well. You can change the friction. That'll get a very fast speed, but if you make it lower friction, then obviously the safe speeds are not so great. Okay, so I hope you've understood. This has been a video to look at a car on a bank track. I hope you've understood. The GeoGebra app will be in the notes of the video.